The ocean is a massive part of the earth and most of it still remains unexplored, but here's some scary facts about the ocean that might freak you out, with the first one being that lost sailors in the sea who cling to wreckage basically have their skin dissolved by salt water after soaking for more than 3 days. The second is that there's a place called Point Nemo, the most isolated place in the world. It's in the middle of the South Pacific Gyre, which is a massive rotating current that basically keeps any nutrient-rich water from ever getting in. So there's no sea life anywhere to be found except for a few crabs and bacteria that live on some thermal vents on the ocean floor. It's so far away from any land that if you sailed there, the closest people would be on the International Space Station. Following this is that the ocean is blue because all of the other pigments are absorbed, so after a certain distance down, everything becomes a monotone blue color unless you have some other light source. The freaky part is if a diver gets cut underwater, the blood looks black like ink. All the red has long since been absorbed, so there's no wavelengths left to show you have a red color when you bleed. And finally, once you get to a certain depth, your buoyancy changes and you actually start getting pulled down instead of floating up.